Today we just did a really simple everyday look. Just kidding. I look like a drag queen and I love it. Okay, let me explain what just happened to my face. So I started by following a Makeup by Alexis B, I think is her name, pictorial, and it kind of took its own spin and went on its own little journey, but that is what we started from that. So I will maybe put a little picture of it right here, or also link her Instagram down below so you can see where my inspiration started from. But this was so fun, such a journey. Things got weird for a minute, got a little dark, started talking about mental health. Don't really know why I felt like that was appropriate with this look. I was just like, let's talk about mental health now. Okay, you'll see. Whatever. That was the journey that we were on today. So if you want to see how we got this freaking look right here, then keep on watching. I'm so excited to play with colors today. We are going in with the Morphe X James Charles palette because this one has all the colors. All right, we are following a Makeup by Alexis B tutorial today. So I just put my primer on and I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here. I'm so scared. This is gonna go terrible or great. It's really hard to know the direction of this little guy. I'm scared. Okay, so color is very different than using like a brown or a more neutral shade. There's a lot of stamping. See, I'm just stamping this color on and then blend a little bit. But there's way less blending. I need a smaller brush. Okay, and I'm using this to blend out the tail of this right here. I've never done a makeup look like this. I've never done a look that the colors focus is right here instead of the outer edges or the entire lid, so I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. This is also inspired by a pictorial from Makeup by Alexis B because I am not at all trying to copy what she did, but I'm letting her lead the way. Okay, so I just went on with the blue. Next step is to go barely on top of the blue with a purple. Here's the thing with doing something a little more dramatic or a risk taker look is you cannot give up. Just start and try to finish the look all the way through because it so often comes together at the last second. And if you give up too soon, you'll never get to see the end product. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I'm already excited. Okay, after the purple, then we're gonna go in and do red, orange, and then yellow. Doing a difficult makeup look is probably one of my most therapeutic things in the world. You see, a lot of people are liking those adult coloring books right now, with everybody stressed out. I feel like this is my adult coloring book. And I really especially like doing a hard look because when it's hard, I'm gonna go in with yellow now. When it's hard, I can't really think about anything else. My mind can't really wander because I really have to concentrate. And that's when I find like ultimate stress relief. I just went back over all those colors one more time just to brighten them up a little bit. You can see where we're at. This is the hard part. I'm so scared. Oh God, help me. Okay, so in her picture she has a bright green, but my green is not bright. So I want to go in with a yellow instead and just draw a line in here. Oh gosh, if you mess this up, you have to start over, I feel like. It's fine. I only had to have the top be perfect. I did not have to have the rest of it be perfect. It's fine. Don't freak out. I can fix it. This NYX liner is bomb. What color is this? This is Vivid Halo. Oh, it's so sick. Yes. Okay. I obviously made a mess and got the yellow, like, because I looked up and then it went on my lid. It's fine. We haven't even done anything with the lid yet. So don't worry. I'm going to take eye makeup remover. So we're going to do the same color sequence in a V on the outer edge. This year has been hard. I'm sure it's been hard for just about everybody. But like fall of this year, fall of 2019 into 2020 is probably the hardest time of my life. And I think makeup's like one of the few things that I've just still really found a lot of joy in. So to be honest, I feel like I'm still trying to get my happiness and good vibes back. It's funny watching these videos. I notice that I don't like smile like I used to. It's kind of sad. But I feel like I'm smiling more and more every day, and things are just hard. I feel like if this was the first time in my life I've ever dealt with depression. I've always had anxiety my whole life. Nothing new. But depression hit me. So I just wanted to say, if anybody else out there is struggling, I think this is a really hard time, especially right now for most people. I think a lot of people are really going through it right now, and if you are struggling with depression, you definitely are not alone. Thankfully, I feel like I'm just pulling myself out of that, and did a lot of counseling this year, and I got on medication for a little bit, and thankfully I was able to get off of that. Nothing against medication, but I don't want to be on it forever if I don't have to be. So it was a good tool for me when I couldn't really pull myself out of it by myself, that I could use medication to kind of give me a step in the right direction so I could make the changes then in my life that I need to get in a good spot. And I have changed so much about my life in the last 6 months, but it's all been in such a good direction. But it has been so hard. It was so interesting struggling with depression this year because anxiety is like I've always had anxiety. It's so easy for me to navigate anxiety. Not easy, but I've worked for so long to do it. So it's nothing, but I think people just assume that if you have anxiety, you have depression. That is not always the case. That definitely wasn't the case for me. I'd never struggled with depression before. And then, dealing with that this year, it is so hard. So my heart goes out to you if that's something that you're dealing with. This is my lightest color concealer, so I'm going to go in with the Colorpop No Filter Concealer. I want to say my foundation exploded, but honestly I left the lid off, so my fault. It got all over so much of my shit. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to use this to carve out. See what a difference that makes? And then before it gets on my concealer, I'm going to use this shade, the lightest shimmer shade. Oh, also, disclaimer, I don't do my nails. I only do what makes me happy, and my nails don't really make me that happy, so maybe I should use a brush. No, do them. So, end of that discussion. This is gonna be so pretty now. That yellow liner is really drying and kind of crumbles a little bit, but I think it was like $2, so I don't really know what you want from it. Okay, so this picture has like a bright shimmery green. I don't really have a green glitter that I like. I'm gonna try to use this glitter primer from NYX. I've never used it. Sorry, I just like dove into a hardcore like mental health discussion. But I feel like it's so important to talk about this kind of stuff and feel like I'm still not 100% myself. If you're wondering why, it's where we're at. This is straight glitter from like Michael's glitter. I think it's called unicorn glitter. Ah! You definitely can't think about anything sun while you're doing this because, oh, you gotta concentrate. It's so hard. I gotta take a break and do the face because it's hard. I just can't see like what the finished look will be like until I do the face. So I feel like I just need to get that on. Okay, I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream because I feel like my face is a little dull feeling today. And then I'm gonna use the Too Faced Hangover face primer. Okay, I'm gonna use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. It has this fun Dopra? However you say that word. But because I need extra everything right now, I'm about to just take this on. Okay, that was too much. Oh, I know you have acne, but girl, we can't. Sorry, this video got a little serious, but and I want this channel to be like fun and lighthearted and just jokes, but that's honestly what's been on my mind, and so sometimes it's hard to be lighthearted and funny, but I am feeling good today. Feeling better today. I'd love to hear what you guys do when you're kind of feeling off or down. You should leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know, like, what do you guys do to get through the hard times? New Hourglass. Just even say fawn finish? Vanish. Fawn vanish? I don't know, it's Hourglass concealer. Look it up. Just kidding, I'll link it below. Oh, I feel so bad for high school seniors right now. Oh my gosh. Honestly, prom was so important to me. I mean, look at me. I just wanted to get dressed up. I was looking forward to that my whole high school experience. It ended up being terrible. One of my least favorite high school memories, but regardless, I just wanted to like get dressed and get ready, get cute, have fun. And so I'm so sad for seniors that didn't get to do their senior prom. Okay, I'm going in and setting this with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, as always. And then I'm going to set it with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender. Just gonna go like this. A little bronzer. We're almost done. This is the Milani Blossom Time Rose Blush. I don't know. That was not my journey. I thought I tried that before. Let's do the Nicole Guerrero. Let's do Forever Young, because it's just like, I feel like it matches the glitter vibes. I don't know that I love that foundation. Not my favorite. It kind of makes my pores look big, but maybe they just are. Alright, we need to finish this eye. We need to do the bottom of the eye. So I'm gonna do the blue first. So I also do makeup for ballroom dance competitions, and this would be such an amazing look for those, but the makeup artists only get 30 minutes time slots. I don't know how you would ever do this in 30 minutes. I'm just doing the purple just on the outside. I just don't want this to get, I don't want it to be like down into my cheek. And then we'll do the orange. Okay, I'm gonna throw on some eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Holy makeup. Can we just stop and look at that for a second? I'm dead. I'm dead. That is, oh, yes.